What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a Santa Claus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two small ovals for the eyes. And we start with the one on the left from the very top, come down towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small circle along the top of each eye for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now remove in between the eyes and draw the nose. Starting right in the middle, let's draw an oval, going around and then back up. And we'll tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. Starting on the left side, start by going out, then this down, and then up. Go in the opposite direction on the right. And then from the ends, we're going to curve the mustache, coming down, and then pull that up towards the center of the nose. Let's add in the mouth. And then we'll go up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrows. Start with a curve. Let's round out the ends. And then we'll close off the top. Now we're going to add a curve going above the eyebrows from left to right, going up and then down. Go back to the left side, round up the side of the hat, go up in the middle, across, and then round out the right side. Let's step in, draw the edge of the beard, coming around and then in towards the tip of the mustache. And then from these 2 points, we're going to draw on the beard. Start with a curve, going out and then in. Let's add another curve. Down and then in towards the bottom, and then one more curve in the center. I'm going to go all the way up towards the top and flop the hat over towards the right. So starting on the left side, then this up, across, and then down. Let's add a circle on the end, and we'll bend the hat back in towards the side, and then we'll add a fold. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.